Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring a restore point or backup is ready. This protects you if a driver change misbehaves. Once done, make sure your PC is online and note the exact network adapter name under Settings Network. Now open Device Manager using Win+X and select Device Manager. This gives you direct control over drivers. You're acting now, so don't linger. Locate network adapters in the list and expand it to reveal the adapter you plan to update. You'll choose the update method based on what you have. Right-click the adapter and pick Update Driver, then try Search automatically for drivers to let Windows fetch a certified match. If you already downloaded a vendor package, choose Browse My Computer and point to the folder or selected INF, and then follow prompts to install. Make sure to prefer signed drivers from the OEM site when Windows doesn't find newer ones, because those often fix stability and performance problems. After installation, restart your PC to let the new driver initialize and then verify connectivity by visiting a web page or using ping. This confirms success. If something goes wrong, open Device Manager, right-click the adapter, choose Properties, and use the Driver tab's Rollback Driver option to revert quickly. Make sure to run Windows Network Troubleshooter and recheck adapter settings. These steps often resolve misconfigurations without further changes. Keep the working driver installer handy in case you need it again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.